$800,000 a month is no joke, and it really does tell us a lot about the success of this particular product I'm about to show you. So if you've been thinking of a business to start, today is your lucky day because I'm going to be giving you a really good idea. And again, we're going to be judging this idea off of the success of an already existing store, which is the best way to ensure success for your business. Now, what this is called the Big Life Journal, and it's a science-based journal for kids. You may have seen products like this before with productivity journals or things of that nature for adults, but I've never seen this done for kids, and I think it's absolutely brilliant. Now, this is a Shopify store, so lucky for you, again, if you wanted to start a business like this, all you need to do is start your Shopify store. That's the first step, and we have an incredible link on this channel, the first one in the description, that gives you a free Shopify trial, and then it's $1 a month for 90 days. So it's basically free, and it also supports the channel, so make sure that you use it and share it with your friends as well if they want to start a business. But this is absolutely brilliant, and what's even cooler about it is that this is actually a print-on-demand store. So I believe that these are being printed on demand. So when somebody buys it, that's when they get printed. So let's actually check out what this looks like, and we'll break down the landing page, some of the stuff on here, the copywriting on it, and then we're going to look at the ads because that's the next step to growing a business like this. Now, this one is ages 18 through 99, so this one is for adults. They also have an adult one. And as you see, it's actually quite simple in terms of how they describe the product. It's a new guided science-based journal for adults to help you manage your self-sabotaging inner voice and start living fully and joyfully. That's a really well-stated hook right there. Now, this journal is for you if you feel trapped in constant cycles of negative thoughts. So they're targeting the pain points. Self-sabotage your efforts and ask yourself, who am I to do this? Put yourself down and don't follow through with your goals. Experience feelings of regret and hopelessness. I mean, these are some of the things that maybe some of you guys experience as well. Everybody has. That's kind of part of being human. But it's great marketing to, sort of showcase or poke at these pain points that people have. And it's super powerful. Now, this is $29, so pretty expensive for a book because I'm sure this maybe takes $5 to produce. So really, really good margins for this business. And again, as you saw here, they're doing about $800,000 per month selling these journals. So that's the landing page. Pretty cool. They have a blog as well. So really, really great stuff. Blogs are a great way to make your site more authoritative. I think that's the word, authoritative. And also a great way to educate your customers, which again is a great form of marketing. Now, apparently this is the lady behind it. So these two, I think they're partners. Now we're going to go into the next stage of the video now, which is where we're going to break down how they actually do this and how really anybody could achieve something similar. And that's not to knock on the success of this business. In fact, I would love to work with the Big Life Journal. These are kind of some of my favorite stores where they're a for-profit business, but that also do a lot of good in the world. I think that's incredible. So my team, if you don't know, we run machine learning ads, which is meta ads, for businesses like this, and we're some of the best at it. So I would love to get in touch with this company and potentially work with them, or maybe if you have a company that you want us to run ads for, hit us up, links in the description. But they have a really congruent posting style, which is really good and gets a lot of engagement. So, they're providing value through these images. They're not even posting only videos, right? So they are doing these reels, which is awesome. And I think a missed opportunity is not reposting these reels on YouTube Shorts and TikTok. They should totally do that. But these posts are super good too. Common ways we unintentionally break our child's spirit. We break their spirit when we shame to get compliance. Why can't you behave? All other children are still sitting. That's pretty mean. So they're educating parents through these posts, which is so smart. And then obviously promoting their products while doing that. So through this simple strategy right here, I mean, the design of this is not even that crazy, right? But it is very congruent. They've been able to garner 1 million followers on here, but it doesn't stop there because they're using some of the stuff that works well here and running ads to it and also making specific content for Meta ads. As you see, they're running 90 different results on the Meta ads platform. And you may be thinking, I don't know how to run Meta ads. This is too confusing, but trust me, it's not as hard as you think. Obviously, it gets harder the more you're trying to scale, and getting good results isn't easy, that's for sure, but it's simpler than you may think. And if you are already posting organic content, so just normal content to your feeds, that actually will help you get better results with Meta ads as well, because you're going to know a little bit more of what works, and you can then use some of that content for ads. But as you see, they're doing a lot of different ads, like so many different ads. Let's take a look at one of these here and we'll see how good it is. That's a really good hook. That's actually, again, this is my favorite type of stuff where it's really simple products that are almost like a charity, but they're for profit. I don't think there's any problem with that. I think that also allows you to grow your business significantly and provide better resources for your customers. So that's why, for example, one of my businesses like this is called Akemi Lab, and it's basically a research-based community and education community where we talk about all things e-commerce. We provide real-time data every single day. I'll give you a little sneak peek of what that looks like. For example, all these verbal hooks that we just posted yesterday. These are really, really good. You should probably write these down. I'm giving you this for free, but this is part of the community. We post stuff like this every day, and we network and just encourage each other to succeed. So again, yeah, that's like, to me, that's the best kind of business where you're providing a ton of value for the world and the customers, and you're also making money through it. So you can actually continue to build a business and expand and amplify, right? And that's what they're doing too. So really cool business. They're even running ads sponsoring some of the Instagram posts in their profile. So this is another good way to gain followers. A lot of people don't know this, but you can actually run ads to some of your posts and basically boost them so that you can get followers. But I will say that another one of the great benefits of running Meta ads for your products is that you'll make sales, but you'll also be able to grow your following. So people will see your ads and follow your page, even if they don't buy sometimes. So you kind of shoot two birds with one stone with running Meta ads. And I highly suggest you all do so. If you want to learn how to do it yourself, check out the Akemi Lab. If you want us to do it for you, check out the Akemi Agency and subscribe to the channel to continue to get some of these amazing videos. I'm really trying to provide as much value as possible. And that's it.